4 years back, I was overweight. I had severe gastritis and cervical spondylitis. My doctor's advice was simple: change your lifestyle. So I took matters into my own hands. I studied nutrition. I made some much required small sustainable changes that gave me great results. I changed my eating habits and patterns, and I took up yoga and meditation for my physical as well as mental well-being. So talking about my eating habits, I started fortifying my food with simple nutrient-rich ingredients, and I cut down on the consumption of processed and junk food. I achieved all this without compromising on the taste, because let's face it, no one wants to eat boring food. Hi, I'm Rachna. I'm a chef, food therapist and nutrition educator, and I welcome you to the Good Tiffin. The Good Tiffin packs in delicious and nutritious recipes that are fortified with nutrient-rich, simple ingredients that can be easily found in your kitchen. Through the Good Tiffin, I will bring you easy, deliciously fortified recipes that will help you eat better, lose weight, feel better, and lead a better life. Most importantly, you will not feel guilty about eating tasty food. I have tried and tested these recipes before sending them your way. So tune into the Good Tiffin every Friday at 4 p.m. on YouTube starting 26 February for deliciously fortified recipes. At the end of each recipe, you will find the Good Tiffin Nutrimeter, giving you important nutritional information and helping you make an informed choice. Yes, you make that choice to make that change towards a healthy and happy life. So see you guys there. Like, share and subscribe to be a part of this life-changing journey. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. It will definitely benefit them. And thank you so much for watching.